First, we make the dough. We mix the flour with yeast. Add some water, mix it, try to make small lumps of flour. Add more water and repeat until there's no more dry flour left. Now we use one hand to gather all the small pieces together and make a ball. Cover with the damp cloth and let it rest 30 minutes. Meanwhile, we make the filling. We add grounded ginger, sesame oil, shaoxing wine, salt, white pepper, and green pepper, and mix it well. Put it into the fridge. After 30 minutes, the dough becomes a very easy to make a ball with a quite smooth surface. Cover it again and let it ferment for about 1.5 hours. After 1.5 hours, we can do the finger test. We poke the dough and see a dent. If the little dent doesn't bounce back, the dough is ready. Now we need to push out all the gases. We can use our fist to give some gentle punches, or massage the dough, or use a rolling pin to push out all the big bubbles. Now we take a half of the dough, the other half we cover it with film. We roll the dough into a log and cut it into 6 small pieces, lightly dust with some flour. We gently press the small piece into a disc. Use the rolling pin to make the wrapper. To keep the green onion fresh, we add it at the last minute. Place a piece of a wrapper on your palm and scoop the filling into the center and flatten it. Make sure you have a 1 centimeter to the edge of the wrapper. Now, use your thumb and index finger to make the first pleat. Use the left thumb, press the filling to make some room, and pull back the pleat gently. Repeat to make the second pleat, and check if there's a portion of a wrapper vertical to your thumb. If not, use your left hand, turn the wrapper clockwise until you have it. And then make the third and fourth pleat, and repeat the whole process. Make the pleat, pull back, and turn. Up to the halfway, you should be able to see half of the bun, and your thumb and index finger shall always pull back towards the center of the bun. Repeat until there are about 2 pleats room left. Check the bun. Lift the rim of the wrapper gently. Make the pleats more vertical. And then fold the extra dough into the hole and make another pleat. Repeat one more time. Now check the bun again. Lift the pleats if necessary. Use your left hand to hold the pocket, turn anti-clockwise, and make the filling back to the center. Now use 4 fingers together to pinch the bud. Left hand turn anti-clockwise and right hand clockwise until it breaks. Make the surface smooth and it's done.